Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to increase your email open rate using HubSpot step by step with practical strategies for 2026. Let's get started. Email open rate depends mainly on subject lines, sender trust, timing, and audience targeting. HubSpot provides tools to optimize all of these areas. First, focus on your subject lines. Use short, clear, and curiosity-driven subject lines. Avoid spammy words and always test different variations to see what works best. Next, personalize your emails. Using HubSpot personalization tokens, you can include the contact's first name or company name in the subject line. Personalized emails usually get higher open rates. Audience targeting is very important. Use contact lists to send emails only to relevant segments. Sending the right message to the right audience improves engagement significantly. Sender reputation also matters. Always use a verified sender email and a recognizable sender name. Consistency builds trust and increases opens. Timing plays a big role. Use HubSpot analytics to identify the best days and times to send emails. Scheduling emails at optimal times can improve open rates. Use preview text wisely. The preview text appears next to the subject line and should support it with additional value. HubSpot also allows A/B testing. Test different subject lines, sender names, and send times to find the highest performing combination. Keep your email list clean. Regularly remove inactive contacts to improve deliverability and engagement. After sending emails, track performance in the email dashboard. Analyze open rates and apply insights to future campaigns. In summary, increasing email open rates in HubSpot requires better targeting, personalization, testing, and timing. By using HubSpot's built-in tools effectively, you can consistently improve email performance in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.